about today?
We're gonna draw a reindeer. Thanks for hitting me. For this lesson, you're gonna need a few art supplies.
A marker.
A marker or something to draw with.
Some paper.
Some paper.
And something to color with.
Something to color with. You ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's first draw our reindeer's eye. We're gonna start in the middle of our paper, but off to the left. So right about here, we're gonna draw a circle. And we're gonna draw it about this size. That kind of looks like a circle. There we go. We're gonna draw it right about here. Yeah, good job. Then let's draw a smaller circle in the top right. This is for the highlight to make our reindeer eye look shiny. Then let's color in the big circle, but leave the little one white. Now let's draw our reindeer's head. We're gonna start by drawing his forehead. We're gonna draw a curve that comes down, or a straight line, diagonal straight line coming down. Good job. You could draw it a little bit longer if you want. There you go. And then we're gonna draw his nose. We're gonna draw a curve that comes around like this. Looks like a J, letter J, backwards J. Then we're gonna draw his cheek. We're gonna draw a curve that comes like this and then curves around. So it comes under his eye. Yeah. How old are you?
7.
7. And it's okay that our drawings look different, right?
Yeah.
Because the most important thing is
To have fun.
to have fun and to
Practice.
practice. Your drawing's going to be my favorite. Now let's draw our reindeer's nose. We're going to draw the letter Y. First we'll draw the letter V right on the end, and then we're going to draw the bottom of the Y to finish his nose. Perfect. Now let's draw his ear. We're going to draw an A shape. It's going to come up like this and then curve back down. Up and then down. And then let's draw the inside of his ear. Let's draw another curve that starts at the top. Yeah, and then connects down at the bottom. Now we can draw his neck. Let's draw a curve that starts on the back part of his ear. We're going to draw a curve that comes down like this. And our reindeer is going to look a lot like a horse.
Yeah.
There you go. Good job. We got the back of his neck. Let's draw the front of his neck. We're going to start right below his eye. And we're going to draw a curve that comes down like this. And right at the end, it starts curving under. Yeah, good job. Now we can draw his first leg. We're going to draw 2 lines. One that starts here and comes down. Yeah, that's the front of his leg. Then we're going to draw the back of his leg right here. And watch this. At the very top, it's kind of closer together. And at the bottom, it's a little further away. Perfect. You did it. Now, right here, we can draw a curve that connects the front to the back to finish his foot. You're doing a great job, Austin. Now, we're going to come up here. We're going to add extra fur on the front of his neck. We're just going to draw a little zigzag line like that connects the top down to the bottom. Oh, you're doing awesome. I like it. Kind of looks like a beard, huh?
Yeah.
Now we're going to draw his other front leg. We're going to draw it behind his first leg. So it looks 3D. We're going to draw a line that matches his other leg. And then we're going to connect it in just like that. Perfect. We got 2 front legs. Now let's draw his back. We're going to start right here and we're going to draw a curve that comes back and then curves right at the end. Oh, I like your body. Now on his back leg, we're going to draw a short diagonal line. And then we're going to draw another diagonal line coming forward. This is the back of his back leg.
Yeah.
Now let's draw the front of his back leg. We're going to draw a curve right here. Yes. Then right here, we can draw the front part coming down further. Oh, you're doing great. Now this leg is a little shorter than his front leg, so let's make him a little longer. Maybe this line can come down further, and this one can come down further also. That way they match. They're the same length.
Yeah.
Good job. And then we can connect the bottom just like we did on the front. All right, Austin, now what is he missing in between his legs?
His belly.
His belly, yeah. We're going to draw a line right here that curves back to his back leg. Oh man, I love your reindeer. He's gonna definitely be my favorite. Okay, now how many legs do we have?
3.
3, and how many do we need?
1.
No, we need we need 4. We're gonna draw it just like we did on the front leg. We're gonna match the lines. So let's first draw that little curve right here. Yeah, and then we're gonna draw another line that matches the rest of his leg, and then connect it in. All right, Austin, we gotta draw his feet. Let's draw a diagonal line that's up high on the front part, but then comes down on the back. Or you can just draw it straight across like you. I love it. It looks perfect. Then we're gonna draw another one on the other front leg, and then draw 2 on the back ones also. Those are for his shoes.
Yeah.
He likes wearing Nikes.
Or Snickers.
Snickers.
No,
That's a candy bar.
Yeah.
Snickers.
No.
I think you're supposed to say
Snuckers. Sneakers.
sneakers.
I like eating sneakers.
You- All right, now let's draw his toes. We're going to draw a short line on the front of each foot. Yeah, you did it. Okay, what's he missing back here?
His tail.
His tail, and they have short, fluffy tails. So we're going to draw a diagonal line going up. Then we're going to draw a bumpy line coming down. What is our reindeer missing?
His antlers.
His antlers, yeah. Let's draw 2 short lines coming out of his forehead. Yep. And then another short one. And then we're going to draw a curve that comes back like this and up. See how I curved it up right at the end? Whoa, those are going to be awesome big antlers. Then on the front, let's draw a short line coming forward. Now we're going to draw all of the spikes on his antlers. So I'm first going to draw a curve that comes down. And then let's draw another curve or a spike going up. Yeah. Oh, that one's really big. I like it. Then we can draw another smaller one, and see how I came down a little ways? Mm-hmm. So come down, and you can draw, oh, your antlers are looking cool. And then I'm gonna come back like this or forward and then connect it to the front. So on yours, come down a little bit. There you go. Yeah, and then you can connect it in. I like how big your antlers are. They look so cool. Now, we can draw another antler so that it looks 3D. Now watch this. I'm going to try to draw it really simple. We're going to start back here, and we're going to draw another spike in between those 2. Then, let's draw another spike in front of the other ones. Yeah, good. And then right here, let's draw a little one. And then watch this. I'm going to draw, this one's going to come forward and then curve like that. And then you can come down and then connect it in. All right, we finished the antlers, but we need to draw one more ear. He only has one ear. So we're just going to draw a little small upside down V in front of the other one. We did it. Austin, you did such a great job. Now we're not completely done with our reindeer, right?
Yeah.
What do we still need to do?
Color it.
Color it. This part we're gonna fast forward, but at the end you guys can pause it to match the same coloring. Austin, give me 5, man. You did awesome on your reindeer. I love how it turned out all colored in. I hope our art friends are gonna take time to color their drawings also. Now we use a light brown or a beige color for his neck, right?
Yeah.
And then we blended it into the medium brown or the regular brown. And then we have dark brown down here for his hooves. And I also added a little bit of shading too to make them look more 3D.
We hope you have fun drawing your reindeer.
Yes, we do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye!